Tired of sore wrists and slow progress in the garage? In this video, we break down the best cordless ratchets to help you work faster, easier, and more comfortably in tight spaces. We tested popular models for power, speed, battery life, size, and overall value to see which ones truly perform. Whether you're a DIYer or a home mechanic, this guide will help you choose the right tool for your needs. Check the links in the description box below for our top picks, specs, and current prices.
So let's get started.
Anyone looking for a capable cordless ratchet that balances strength and flexibility will find a lot to like in the Makita 18 volts LXT cordless ratchet kit. It's a well-rounded tool that feels thoughtfully designed, backed by Makita's long-standing reputation for dependable equipment. Setup is straightforward, and the included 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch interchangeable anvils make the ratchet useful across a wide range of fastening jobs. Running on Makita's 18 volts LXT lithium-ion battery platform, the tool delivers a steady 35 foot-pounds of torque with variable speeds up to 800 RPM. This makes it easy to start fasteners carefully or work quickly when time matters. The electric brake is a nice touch, stopping the tool instantly and helping keep work flowing smoothly. Despite its power, the ratchet stays compact and easy to handle. Weighing about 2.7 pounds, it won't wear you down during longer tasks. The slim head design helps reach bolts in cramped spaces, while the rubberized grip provides solid control and comfort. An integrated LED light also proves useful when working under vehicles or in poorly lit areas. There are a few small downsides. The forward and reverse switch is a bit small and can catch on nearby hoses or wiring. Still, this is a minor issue in an otherwise polished tool. Overall, the Makita 18 volts LXT cordless ratchet kit delivers reliable performance, smart features, and everyday practicality, making it a strong option for professionals and serious DIY users alike. The Milwaukee 245721 M12 cordless ratchet kit sits comfortably in the middle of the market, offering dependable performance without the bulk or price of larger models. It's a practical option for users who value control, durability, and ease of handling over raw speed. Powered by a 12 volts lithium-ion battery, this ratchet produces up to 35 foot-pounds of torque with a top speed of 250 RPM. While that speed won't compete with higher voltage tools, it's more than adequate for common fastening and removal tasks, especially in confined areas. The compact design and light 1.9 pounds weight make it easy to maneuver under hoods, dashboards, or machinery, and the padded grip helps reduce strain during longer jobs. Milwaukee includes several small but useful features that improve everyday use. The built-in LED light does a good job of illuminating dark workspaces, and the onboard fuel gauge lets you keep track of battery life at a glance. These details make the tool feel more polished and job-ready. The kit comes complete with a charger and carrying bag, making storage and transport simple. Its metal reinforced housing and solid trigger design add confidence that it can handle regular use. Although the lower RPM may frustrate users looking for faster performance, the Milwaukee 245721 delivers consistent results, solid build quality, and good value for both professionals and serious DIYers. If you're looking for a cordless ratchet that delivers solid performance without stretching your budget, the S-Long electric cordless ratchet wrench set is worth a close look. Designed with both DIY users and working professionals in mind, this 12 volts tool offers a practical mix of power, control, and affordability. The ratchet spins at up to 400 RPM and produces 33.3 foot-pounds of torque, which is more than enough for common automotive work, furniture assembly, and general maintenance. A variable speed trigger gives you control when starting fasteners, while the forward and reverse switch makes direction changes quick and simple. The built-in LED light is especially useful when working under vehicles or in dim corners of a workspace.
At just 1.8 pounds, the S-Long is easy to handle and won't cause much fatigue during longer sessions. The head is slightly longer than some compact models, which can limit access in extremely tight spots, but the slim profile still allows it to reach most awkward angles with ease. Battery performance is another strong point. The kit includes two 2000 mAh lithium-ion batteries, each recharging in about an hour, so downtime stays minimal.
What really sets this kit apart is how complete it is. You get 12 sockets, an adapter, a manual ratchet, and a sturdy carrying case. Priced at $74.99, the S-Long cordless ratchet offers excellent value for anyone who wants reliable performance without paying a premium. If you want a cordless ratchet that feels capable without being bulky or expensive, the Kimo 3302 cordless electric ratchet wrench set is an easy contender. Built around a 12 volts motor, it delivers up to 40 foot-pounds of torque and reaches speeds of 400 RPM, giving it enough muscle and pace for automotive work, repairs, and everyday maintenance tasks. One of its biggest strengths is how easy it is to handle. The tool is lightweight and compact, which makes a noticeable difference when working in cramped areas. The slim head design helps reach bolts that larger ratchets struggle with, and the variable speed trigger lets you ease into fasteners instead of overdriving them. Kimo also includes a practical battery setup. The two 2000 mAh lithium-ion batteries provide solid runtime, and the fast charger brings them back to full power in about an hour. That means less waiting and more time getting work done. The kit comes with 7 sockets, a 1/4 inch adapter, and a carrying case, making it a tidy grab-and-go solution for most jobs. The built-in LED light isn't perfectly centered, but it still does the job when working in dim spaces. At around $75, the Kimo 3302 offers strong performance, good accessories, and reliable portability. For users who want a compact cordless ratchet with real power and fair pricing, this set delivers excellent overall value. Last on our list is the Ryobi 1 Plus HP 18 volts brushless 3/8 inch extended reach ratchet, and it stands out for one simple reason: access. Designed for jobs where space is limited, this tool features a long neck and a rotating head that locks into 4 positions, making it far easier to reach fasteners buried behind engines, frames, or tight assemblies. It's a smart solution for situations where standard ratchets fall short. Performance is solid and predictable. The brushless motor delivers up to 55 foot-pounds of torque with a top speed of 230 RPM, which is plenty for most automotive, mechanical, and household tasks. While it's not built for sheer speed, it prioritizes control and reach, which is often more important in cramped work areas. The ergonomic handle feels balanced despite the extended design, and dual LED lights do a good job illuminating dark spaces. Durability is another strong point. The brushless motor improves efficiency and helps extend the life of the tool, making it a dependable option for frequent use. Compatibility with the Ryobi 1 Plus battery platform is a major plus, especially for users who already own Ryobi tools. The included 2Ah battery and charger get you started right away, with the option to swap in any 1 Plus battery you already have. Although the torque may feel modest compared to more compact, high-power ratchets, this model shines where reach and flexibility matter most. For both DIY users and professionals, it's a practical and thoughtfully designed addition to the toolbox. That wraps up our look at the best cordless ratchets available right now. Each tool we covered offers something different, whether you care most about power, compact size, or overall value. If you found this video helpful, hit like, subscribe for more tool reviews, and let us know in the comments which ratchet you're using or planning to buy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.